Hello social media, this is Daryl from Property Assistant. Welcome to our listing, Heath Close in Wokingham. This is a beautifully presented 3-bedroom detached property. The property is in an excellent position within a quiet and peaceful close, and inside you are immediately greeted with a warm and homely feel. The front door opens into a bright hallway with a downstairs WC and access into the kitchen, living room and dining room. The lounge has been beautifully decorated and extended to create generous living space which offers a real fireplace and new double opening doors into the garden. There is a brand new contemporary kitchen which has been recently completed to a very high standard. It includes impressive amounts of storage from base and eye-level modern units with the addition of integrated appliances. The dining room adjoins the kitchen and currently accommodates a large dining table and chairs. It makes for an excellent entertaining space, but could easily be a family room, playroom or study. Upstairs there is a bright and airy landing giving access to the bedrooms and large family bathroom. The master bedroom has a large built-in wardrobe and is currently utilised with one of the biggest beds I've ever seen. The other 2 bedrooms are good-sized doubles, with the 3rd bedroom currently used as a study and the guest bedroom also benefiting from a large built-in wardrobe. The family bathroom is immaculate like the rest of the house, and it has a bath with power shower and offers plenty of useful storage from built-in units around the basin. At the front of the property, the garden is laid mainly to lawn. There is also a 2-car driveway in front of the large garage/utility. The garage is 1.5 lengths and allows access through into the private rear garden. The rear garden is a good size and has been landscaped to make full use of the space and is excellent as an outdoor entertaining area. There is a full-width patio in front of the rear doors which is perfect for table and chairs, with an area of raised lawn, a pond and a water feature beyond. There is also a side gate which allows more useful access to the rear garden. The location of the property is fantastic, close to Wokingham town centre and railway station, but also close to countryside walks and parks. Evandon's primary school is just a short walk away, as is the local supermarket and pub. A message from the owner. We have lived in Wokingham for 17 years and love the area. The close itself has a great range of people living in it, and they're all very friendly, which creates a warm community feel. The town has undergone significant regeneration recently and is now very well equipped for shopping, food and entertainment. It also has great access to the M3 and M4 motorways. The train station allows you easy access to other nearby towns and cities too. For parents, there is an excellent range of schools in the nearby catchment area. Also, Wokingham is regularly voted the top 10 places to live in the UK.